Hi, good morning. It's Saturday. Ito yung continuation ng run sessions namin ni Cochin. Nakita niyo siya probably last post ko. Ito yung second run niya. And then si Ate Nikki is yung third run niya. So today nandito kami sa Quest Mimosa, Clark. And dito kami mag practice run in preparation for their hopefully first 5 kilometers event. So ito si Maggie, our next runner. Meron na rin siyang bike. Tapos si Nikki stretching, si Cochin. So ang gagawin lang namin is ikot lang kami dito, mabilis. Hopefully before 7 makabalik kami para doon sa ride event na CRZ.
Yeah, we're going to
You ask Mami to go to the
swing and slide.
Okay, ready na kaya? Ready na kaya? Tali mo muna yung buhok mo. Wow, that's really nice. Yes.
Okay na.
Yung para meron kang idea, para hindi ka ma-mental stress. Yung place na to is parang orchard lang. Mas madali siya sa Singapore kasi mas mababa yung mga slopes niya. Tapos, mas konti yung tao. Tapos, mas greenery na. Mas ma-appreciate mo yung Clark ngayon sa run natin. Tsaka mas malamig. Okay? Nikki, ang goal mo today is same as last time. Kailangan mong i-guide si Tochin, okay? As slow as you can. Pag narinig mo si Tochin na lumalayo, magbagal ka ha. Tochin, ang gagawin mo lang today is i-follow mo yung posture ni ate ha. Tapos pag naiiwan ka, you just tell ate, slow down, okay? Let's go. Ready na? Okay.
Maybe.
Okay, so ang target natin is hopefully 5. Pero if mapansin ko na wala pa kami dito ng mga before 6:30 or maybe before mag 7, tapusin namin agad yung workout kasi merong event ang CRZ and kailangan namin makabalik agad. Okay, start na kami. Okay, so nag-start na. Ayun yung Quest Hotel sa Mimosa. Meron din silang sidewalk or path para sa mga joggers or runners para mas safe. So, as stated a while ago, si Nikki yung mag-guide kay Tochin. And ang responsibility ni Nikki is to ensure na may ma-observe si Tochin na posture sa harap and meron magpipacing sa kanya. Cross, just follow that cycling path. Ito yung maganda sa Clark that we have this kind of spaces for this kind of lifestyle. If you wake up early, then you can enjoy this kind of good weather, fresco, birds, malamig, greenery, and then peaceful. You can mix, you can slow down. So this is an actual application of our practice kasi in actual run events, meron mga ganitong slopes. So the technique is pagkapataas yung slope, since hindi pa tayo ganun ka-strong, what we will do is we take the slope as slowly, as calculated as possible. Kasi pagka binilisan nyo yung pag-akit sa slope, you will start to hear Tochin catching her breath. Kasi napapagod na siya. Diba, Toch? So you slow down, and then pag nag-flat ulit yung kalsada, then you can build up the speed again. Range Rover. Yung actual lessons na binibigay natin kay Laniki and Toch kanina is, since itong current course namin is upslope siya, pataas, so be observant, kasi since we are still not that athletic yet, hindi pa kami ganun ka-strong, is we will approach this kind of course as calculated as possible. Parang sa bike lang, we need to maintain the heart rate para the goal is to just reach that summit, and then pag nag-normalize na yung slope, then we can rebuild the momentum again para hindi tumaas yung heart rate at hindi mapagod agad. Okay, so few meters more, matatapos na to slope na to, tapos magno-normalize na ulit. The good thing about this course in Mimosa is it's a good 5 to 6 kilometers course, and then at the same time it's a combination of uphill and downhill, so it's really a good training ground. Ito yung part ng Mimosa na merong another coffee shop, which is the Baker J. It is a must visit coffee shop kasi maganda sa kanya is ang view mo is golf course, and one reason why nagpupunta ako dito is yung poached egg, masarap, solid, meron siyang cheese, and sulit talaga kumain. So that's Nikki. Tochin is just taking a break since first time niya mag-run sa may upslope. Kailangan niyang i-walk muna, pero kami ni Nikki tuloy namin yung run tapos U-turn para mag rejoin kay Tochin pabalik, which is much easier for her na kasi pababa na kami. Yeah, just go straight. No, it's okay. This is not a busy road, so you can go down. Just before you finish the bridge, the sign, you can make a U-turn. Pag nagtitraining kami dito nila coach, walang ilaw to bridge na to eh. Takot siya. Ito yung bridge. So it's a very old bridge dito sa may Mimosa. And the first time I joined coach for training, gabi yun. So pagdaan namin dito walang ilaw. Kala ko bubudol niya ako. So you can when you see that when you reach that orange stuff, make a U-turn, okay? So ito yung N. I'm not sure what's there, pero hindi na kami tutuloy dun. So U-turn namin. Just keep that pacing, ha. Tapos mag-reconnect na tayo kay Tochin. U-turn. Boring yung place na yun. Okay lang kahit di mo nakita. Ano siya? Old bridge na creepy. Oo. Kamusta yung paa mo?
Nag-tiptoe ako habang
Tiptoe.
naman ako.
Oh, di ba nawala na? Ano lang yun? Lactic acid lang yun na nag-build up. Ganito. Ang gawin natin is balik na tayo pababa, which is mas madali. Pero this time, ang responsibility mo is i-lead mo kami ni ate pabalik do sa car. Okay? Ikaw mag-set ng pace para if it's difficult, you slow down. If it's easy for you, you speed up. Susundan ka namin. Kasi we know that you are fast. So, pagka napansin mo you feel bored, you build the speed. Susundan ka namin ni ate. Okay? Ang maganda yan, yung pickup na jeep.
When kaya ako yayaman para
Ito yung sinasabi ni Nikki, yung Rubicon na pickup pangarap. Okay, ganito gawin natin. I-set mo yung mind mo, Touch, na pabalik na tayo. Tapos, tawag dito, pabalik na tayo. Tapos, since alam mo na yung daan pabalik, di ba? Bababa tayo, tapos yung U-turn. I-calculate mo yung effort mo. Kung saan mo gustong mag-speed up, doon ka mag-speed up. Until then, gagawin mo lang is you just guide us all the way as calculated as you can para yung remaining energy mo, you can use it pabalik. Pag nag-speed up ka, gawin mo lang, sabi mo, I will count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then susundan ka namin mag-speed up, okay? Before ka mag-build ng speed, you just count para alam namin ni ating mag-a-add ka na ng speed. Papakinggan ka na namin na 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, susunod na kami sa iyo ni ate. Kung gusto mo lang naman, it's optional kung gusto mo mag-speed kasi alam namin mabilis ka eh. Okay? You can start anytime now.
Mag-tiptoe ka kapag masakit. Hindi masakit.
Oo. Okay, so let's go. You can start anytime you can. Super ganda talaga ng Clark. Nakakasad. Nakakasad naman, ang dami na namin inikutang punong putol. Yung tandaan na nito pinutol, oh. Sayang. Okay, halos patapos na kami. Yung role ni Tochin is start lang siya mag-build ng momentum. Kasi ayun na yung finish line namin. Dumi. Ang dumi na siya sa mga Touch. Sige Touch, maikli na lang yan. You start whenever you're ready and then you lead us. Do the final sprint. Yeah, you do the final sprint ha. Okay.
Magbibilang ka daw sa sprint tayo.
Siya magbibilang. Okay, basta ready na si Tochin. Pag nakita mo na yung mga kasama natin, Touch, mag-build ka na ng speed. Tapos, ha?
Magbibilang sa touch.
Susunod na tayo.
Sprint na.
Sprint na, oo.
Sprint as in.
Oo, yun na yung final natin. Touch, I told you, your goal today, talunin mo si ate. Okay? Yes. Hindi, yung advantage mo, nasa harap ka niya, nasa likod siya. So, ang gagawin ni ate, kailangan kanyang habulin.
Pagod ako pero...
Ba't ikaw? Nasa pinakalikod pero ano?
Ay, syempre.
Di mo alam, pagod na din ako pero di ako
Oo.
Gusto ko na matulog.
Okay, sige, Touchin. You can go now. That's expedition na. Okay. Pwedeng kitna yan. Pwedeng sa kitna. Ayan. Okay, good. Maintain that. Close your shoulders. Jump higher. Ayan na yung malapit ng green ha. Touch, habulin mo yung nagtumatakbo na yung mamaya ha. Habulin mo yun. Lagpasan mo siya. Okay, you slowly add your speed. Touch. Ayan na siya. That's your rabbit. That's your rabbit. Touch. Start adding speed na. So touch, start adding power, and then I will start counting. When you hear me saying 1, you just speed up as much as you can. Look forward. Okay. You start adding power now, touch. Okay, now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Speed up, go!